Wood grows naturally, and modern forestry standards harvest wood in a sustainable way to preserve the environment of the forest. The beauty of real wood can't be replicated. There is strength and durability to a well-made piece of wood furniture, especially when made from domestic hardwoods. Solid wood furniture is timeless, sturdy and built to last generations, even centuries. This provides an incredible value for your money. Wood can transform the mood of a room or entire house and looks good in any design: industrial, farmhouse, traditional, modern, contemporary, etc. Whatever your style, it can be built in wood. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and decorative pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. While there are many varieties of furniture material available today, like steel, iron, plastic, etc., wooden furniture still tops the list for most buyers. Wood has historically been the choice material for crafting furniture. You can often find wooden furniture in all types of designs and looks that will be sure to suit your style and match your needs. There is something so timeless and versatile about wooden furniture. An aesthetic that has retained its relevance from ancient times to present day. With high-quality wood paints, you can glorify the look of the wood pieces and shield it from cracks, swelling, and stains. There is no household area that doesn't suit the warmth and richness of wooden furniture. Tables, beds, countertops, shelves, cabinetry, and mirrors. Most of all, wood offers a unique combination of aesthetics and structural integrity built to last. Wood has beautiful grain patterns and textures which make it stand out, compared to other furniture materials. That's why it never goes out of style. Applying the ideal wood paint can highlight its patterns and make the wooden furniture look even more exquisite. Some of them provide excellent grain clarity and retain the gloss level or sheen of the furniture for years. A very obvious advantage of having wooden furniture is that it is extremely durable and strong. When investing in furniture like a dining table, or a sofa for your living room, or even a wardrobe for your bedroom, it's better to opt for teakwood, or any other kind of strong solid wood. If maintained well, kept away from direct source of sunlight or moisture, the wood of the furniture will last longer and not even look aged. A good way to make sure that it looks as good as new is to use wood polish or finishing it with an Italian ultra-luxury polyurethane wood coating, which has the strongest film that protects it from scratches, stains and heat. Unlike many other furniture materials, wooden furniture can look good in almost any kind of setting. It can be a part of any interior design scheme, be it rustic, modern, traditional, or bohemian. You can give them any shape and form. Another unique thing about wooden furniture is that it can be modified over a period of years, by painting it with a wood finish that can breathe new life into it. With clear or colored wood paints that have high gloss retention level, you can give a complete makeover to your furniture. Thanks to its lasting strength and enduring beauty, damaged hardwood furniture can usually be fully repaired or restored with the right tools and skills. Finished wood can withstand years of wear and tear from even the most rambunctious family, scratches and dents from careless teenagers, scribbles from crayon-wielding toddlers, spilled glue from craft projects gone wrong, and more. Scratches and scuff marks can be sanded out, the old finish can be removed and replaced with a new one. An additional benefit of wood furniture is its ability to be reworked, updated, and upgraded. You can live with wood furniture without worries about permanent damage. Small scratches and dents can easily be sanded or steamed out for a simple refresh. Or after years of heavy use from the family, meals, arts and crafts, pet scratches, wood furniture can be completely refinished and restored to fit the needs of today. We've all seen the DIYers that breathe new life into a seemingly drab old table simply by adding a coat of paint or sanding and refinishing. You can rest easy knowing your handcrafted wood furniture will have a minimal impact on the environment. The enduring properties of wood furniture listed above prevent sending unnecessary waste to the landfill. There are many factors to consider when purchasing furniture. We believe handcrafted wood furniture to be the best value, because not only are you purchasing a beautiful, sustainably built item, but its presence will last your lifetime and the next. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and decorative pieces ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.